Rainforest is an enchanting property amidst nature which is well connected with major landmarks. Taking a tour from Makery Circle, we pass through Baptist Hospital, Hebbal Lake and Columbia Asia Hospital, which is just 40-minute drive from the property. Moving further, we pass through the huge GKVK campus and Jakkur Aerodrome. And now we are passing through the Vidya Shilp School. We are just 25 minutes away from the Rainforest property. Now we are taking a left deviation near MV Solar, and from this junction we are 10 minutes away from airport. Drive for about 2 minutes after the left turn and then take a right near IOC petrol bunk. On our left is the well-known Padukone Dravid Sports Centre. Further, we can see Stonehill School and Embassy Riding School on our left. We are almost near and we are crossing the ITC Factory Road intersection, which is just 9 kilometers from the airport bay. We made it. Redefine your lifestyle with a home that is much closer to nature at Rainforest. A beautiful property spread over 27 acres of land in the lap of Mother Nature. Away from pollution and noise, yet in the proximity of airport, schools and hospitals. There is abundance of fresh air through historical trees, orchids and serenity in every inch of it. The property is blessed with abundance of water, and we provide amenities like swimming pool, indoor games, basketball court, gym, library and activity center, badminton court, lawn tennis with a world-class jogging track. We are also happy to share an alternate connectivity from the upcoming DC office, which is 8-minute drive from the property. This also enroutes the Cambridge North campus.